Hi, my name is Christy. Today I am going to unbox my starter kit from Scentsy. I'm so excited. Let's see. We've got a big box. Alright, first things first, got an envelope here. It says welcome on it. It's got lots of goodies inside. Aww, little card. Our mission: to bring value to the world by providing an industry-leading, family-friendly business opportunity, selling creative, artistic, high-quality products that warm the heart, enliven the senses, and inspire the soul. Scentsy. Cool. Okay. Oh yeah. When you sign up with Scentsy, you get a 4-month free trial of Amy Pro. It's an app that helps you talk to people and not forget to follow up on things. Oh, this is about business cards from Vistaprint. Okay. A training guide that tells you all about the products. Very cool. And then, welcome to the Scentsy life. It's a consultant guide. Let's see what's in here. They got the compensation plan in here. And basically putting everything that's on the computer in writing. So that's helpful. Okay. Moving on. Ooh, I've got a little sit pack, I think it is. Or it's a thingy that hangs in your car. Or you could probably hang it wherever you want too. It's an air freshener. Okay. I've got catalogs for fall and winter. Yay! Look at all those. Got more catalogs, and they included spring and summer. Have to go through this pretty quick. I've got order forms, lots of them. Let's see. And I've got a classic satin black warmer. Not a mini warmer, it's a warmer. Let's see. Ooh, this is pretty big. Just so you know, I don't have anything Scentsy yet. This is my very first thing. I ordered some stuff with my party, but it hasn't come yet. The kit actually came sooner. It actually only took me like 2 days to get the kit, so that's really cool. Cool. Oh, it comes with a little light bulb. So my previous experience with warmers is a plug-in, and it was like a little snowman like decoration for Christmas, and that's the only experience I have with melting wax. And I just learned recently that they put little light bulbs in the warmers. Guess it makes sense, right? How else would you warm up the wax? you get a little light bulb. And you have the tray that you put the wax in. And here's the warmer. Pretty. So put the bulb in here. Tray on top. And the wax goes in there. Okay. Excited. Ooh. Okay. So this is hand cream. Blue Grotto hand cream. Let's see. Oh, I gotta open it up. It's got a little foil on it. Let's try it. That's good. It's sweet. Tropical notes, citrus, and lush botanicals. It reminds me of sweet tarts. That's what it smells like. That's Blue Grotto hand cream. Let's see, what else is there? I've got brochures in here. I think these are, yep, these are to advertise the $99 seller kit, which is the regular seller kit. I got the cheaper one with my party because I used some of my host credit to get a discount, so I only ended up paying not very much for it. So it really helped out. This is a fall and winter product list. Cool. So I think these are little like order forms. They might have multi-layer on them, but there's several of them in here. And when you go to a party, you can circle items that you like. It's a different way of filling out a form. But it's got pictures. It's cool. Okay, I think I know what this is. It's wrapped in foil. I think this is all my wax scents. They're little samples. Yay! Look at that. Look at all that. Look at all those. So I've never smelled any wax before from Scentsy, and now I've got all these to smell. My sniffer's going to be broken soon. Let's see what else there is. I get a full bar of black raspberry vanilla, which is funny because I ordered that with my party. So it must be a good one. It smells good. So it comes in like a solid bar like that, but you can break it up because it's perforated at the back. It's cool. Alright, that's it in there. What is this? Oh, I think it's an ice pack to keep stuff from melting. That makes sense because it's summer. So they put an ice pack in. And I can use this in my cooler. I don't throw them away. I'll keep reusing them until they get punctured. Okay. So yay, look at all these. I'm not sure how many there are in here. It looks like at least 25. Blue Grotto, just like that lotion. Yep. Smells a little different than the lotion, but it's the same scent. Cool. So I'm going to have fun with these. Wow. Look at all of them. Almond croissant. That one, this smells like Christmas. Eskimo kiss. That one's not that strong. That's good. That might be good for pets. Let's see, cranberry. I like the berries. Cranberry's also not so strong. So the almond croissant strong, Eskimo kiss and cranberry not so strong. Let's see how Amazon rain is. That's pretty good too. That would be good in a bathroom. Newborn nursery, that's cute. Alright. Oh, it smells like baby powder. Cider mill. It smells like apple cider. That's cool. Okay, well, I'm not going to go through all of them. What I might do is do some videos where I'm smelling like several at a time. So thanks for watching me unbox my starter kit. I'm super excited to get started. Bye!